third place. I guess this is what you're waiting for. So, in third place, for an amazing idea, in some ways simple, but insightful new idea, we're going to give that to SDG 0. So if you take your check, stand by here. So stand here by here, stand next to here, and then we'll just get a photo or two. You need to listen. Stand by here. Yes, we can't. So, in second place, we have Fooduction. Okay, I guess this is the one you're waiting for. So, in first place, we've decided first place will go to Zeus.
Så giver I jo mad i aften, gutter. Ja, det gør vi.
Hey. Yes, congratulations. We thought that this idea here was very addressing a very big problem in the future when we all get electric cars. What should we do with electric batteries? A lot of people are worried about how to recycle a battery. I don't think we need to do that. I have a battery car myself. I've had Tesla for 6 years, and I have not noticed that the battery has degraded at all. A lot of people think that, when you buy a used electric car, that the battery is bad. No, it's not. If you somehow do things to it that it's not intended to, but otherwise, I believe that the batteries can work at least 25 years. But I don't want to have the same car for 25 years. So there will be an upcoming market here. And we have all the inverters, all the technology that could be used for having a battery bank at home to take care of the peaks and valleys of electricity prices. And it will be more and more an issue because we now can we pay per quarter for electricity. Maybe not yet, but at least some countries say it's a fixed price, but I think they will come. And in Denmark it's per hour, but they're talking about going down to on a quarterly basis. And then becomes meaningful to use the electric car batteries in this way, and you can already do it with solar energy, I know. And so we think it was a super idea, and we therefore concluded that you get the first prize.
Thank you so much.
So in a second we'll be telling you what to do, but I'd like to just have a quick photo with everyone here and the jury up here, so we make sure everybody. So if we can have the third and second place either side of the first place. So SDG 0, if you come over this side, and if you stay that side, Fooduction stay that side. Well, now you're swapped over. Okay, let's get some photos of all of you. Once Tom and Jakob have removed themselves, we don't want to see the back of your heads. Okay. Great, so thank you so much. So, I'll just say a few words before I hand over to Frederick. But first, of course, it's great that we've had some great sponsors, and it's great we've had some great jury, but I think the people you're going to remember, and the people who made this possible, that's going to be Frederick and all of you. Stand up, the crew. You did an amazing job when anyone's had a problem, finding papers, solving screens, you name it. There's always been someone there to help you out, I think you've done an amazing job, all of you. It's just been brilliant. So thank you so much, Frederick, and I'll let you tell what's going to happen now.
Thanks a lot, Jan. So I couldn't conclude this in a better way. So what's going to happen next is all the cocktails you can drink. I think that's what I heard you say, right? There are cocktails and snacks outside. Only other participants who will be able to pick up your official signed diploma also outside. There are 2 cocktails. 2 cocktails. But there's also beer and drinks and other snacks as well out there. So there should be enough for everyone, I think. So congratulations everyone. I think we should also say thanks to all the guys from Danfoss and Pizza who are here. There was a huge team from both companies really spending all weekend here. Really cool to see all the good conversations. Yeah, and I think I said pizza actually. Sitting up there, money. Great. Also, the jury, before you leave, there's a little gift for you also from Testeriet Alst that I would like you to pick up also. But otherwise, thanks everyone for a great event, for sticking out full 3 days. Intense, little sleep, but really good results. Thanks.